Oh yeah. Decent one. We got him out. Decent carp. See what we got. This could be a carp. It's hard to say. See what we got. I think it could be a catfish. Got me into a snag. Wrap me up around over here. We are stuck on a branch. See if I can move down here. I think this is a carp. I think this is a carp. Oh yeah, decent one. We got him out. Decent carp. Decent one here. Yeah, he's a big one, at least for this area. Got him. All right, guys. This is our first carp at this new spot. He might be going close to 20, which is good. All right, guys, first carp of the day. It's a nice chunky one here, but a beautiful fish. Look at this one. Nice and healthy. All right, a little nice belly to her. Beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and release this one. Okay, first time at this spot. Caught 2 catfish already. And everything's come to this pop-up boilie here. Beautiful. There she goes. Alright, I think we got a carp on here. Feels decent. I mean, it's hard to tell with these fish. I think this one is a carp though. They always want to come to this branch over here for some reason. The first one did that. Trying to get him out from my other line. See, smaller one, but it's a carp. Got him. All right, guys, second carp does not want to be picked up. Here we go. He's feisty. Here we are. Nice low teen carp here. Beautiful fish. We're going to go ahead and release this one. There she goes. And overall, pretty good day. This is a spot that probably does have some potential for holding some decent sized carp. And today was more just like a trial short session, exploring some new areas, just really wanted to see what was in here. And so I was really happy to put a couple carp to the mat. And the CC more in this one, Papa Boilie, was the hot bait today. All of our fish came to that bait except for one catfish, which was to the pop-up corn paired with a tiger nut. And but overall, pretty good session for only being out for 3 hours and trying a new spot. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time on Top Tactic Fishing. Take care, guys.